In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your DeepSeek account now. If you're sure you want to permanently close your account, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so nothing gets missed. We'll start from a fresh browser window and end with the final confirmation, and I'll point out a few details that often trip people up so you can get it done smoothly. First, open your browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. In the results, click the official DeepSeek website. Double-check that the link is from the deepseek.com domain to avoid lookalike sites. This will take you to the home page. On the home page, click Start Now. That opens the chat experience in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to the account you intend to delete. If you use multiple accounts, take a second to confirm the one that's currently active so you don't remove the wrong one. Look to the lower left corner of the chat window and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, click Settings. Inside Settings, select the Profile section. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile, you may need to open a menu first to see Profile. This is where the deletion option lives. In the Profile area, click Delete. When you do, a confirmation pop-up appears. It will ask you to verify by typing a specific phrase. Type the phrase exactly as shown. Delete my account. Match the capitalization and spacing. If you paste it, double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the words, because even a tiny typo can prevent the confirm button from enabling. Once the phrase is entered correctly, click Confirm Delete My Account. This triggers the final deletion process for your DeepSeek account. Your session may end immediately, or you may see a brief confirmation message before you're signed out. Before you confirm, take a moment to be absolutely certain. Deleting your account is permanent. After this, you won't be able to recover your chats, your saved settings, or any remaining balance associated with the account. If you need anything from your conversations for future reference, make sure you've copied it elsewhere ahead of time, because there's no undo after confirmation. That's all there is to it. Open Google, search for DeepSeek, enter the site, select Start Now, open your profile, go into Settings, head to Profile, choose Delete, type Delete My Account, and confirm. Follow those clicks carefully, and the process is quick and final. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the deletion with confidence.